Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a glittery smoky eye makeup tutorial. This look is perfect for the year-end parties, but you can also try it out for a wedding or just any party in general. So let's get started. I've already done my skincare. I'm going to start with makeup. I'm using the Bobbi Brown face base, which is one of my favorite primers for the winter. It's very hydrating. It just sets the perfect canvas for your foundation to go on, and it just makes your skin feel really nourished, which is very important for me in the winters. I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm using this because this is just great for any special occasion, especially if you're going to be photographed. It gives you high coverage, gives you a really flawless look, and photographs really well. I'm using the shade Cashew here. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows using the brow pencil by LA Colors. I'm using it just to fill in the gaps and to give my brows a fuller look. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime eyeshadow primer for my lids. This is just going to make the eyeshadow appear more intense. It's also going to help it last much longer. I'm then using the Smashbox gel pencil crayon. I'm using this along my lash lines, just smoking it out. I love this because it's very pigmented, very long lasting. I love how rich black this is, and it's great for a smoky eye. I'm using a couple of Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes for this look. I'm using the black from this palette. It's a really pigmented black. Also, I've used a primer underneath, so it's adhering really well to the skin. I'm using the black all over the lid, and then I'm going to use the dark brown from this palette. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below in case something is not clear while I'm doing the application. I'm using the dark brown matte color just to smoke out and give a bit of a transition to that black. I'm also using that dark matte brown along my lower lash line as well. And now coming to the star of the look, it's this glitter liquid eyeshadow from Stila. I picked this up from Sephora US a couple of months back. Unfortunately, Sephora India doesn't carry this particular product. This is a really nice gunmetal color with lots of silver sparkle, and I think it just works so well for an evening party look. For the cheeks, I'm using a bronzer from this NATIO bronzing palette. This has quite a bit of golden shimmer, so once again it plays really well to the party theme. I'm also going to use this pink blush. This one is by Essence, and I'm going to use this on the apples of the cheeks just to give a bit of a pinkish flush. I'm going to finish off the eyes now. I'm curling my lashes and applying a mascara. This one is by Isadora. This is the Grand Volume Styler, and this actually gives you lots of volume as well as length. So I'm not going to use a pair of false lashes for this look, just 2 coats of the mascara on the top as well as the bottom lashes. And then for the lip, I'm using this matte lipstick by Bobbi Brown. I found the color a little bit pale for me, so I've mixed it with another one by the brand Mina. I'm going to list the details below in the description box. And that is the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you recreate this look, do let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!